Back again. This time around, 27 minutes away from Stansted Airport, which is about 27 miles, sorry, away, and we are 33 minutes away, which is half an hour, meaning that by 3 minutes past 12, we'll be in Stansted Airport. Driving along M11. We've left A14 at the previous intersection. We're on M11 now, which is the route that takes us straight to Stansted Airport. Right, so enjoy, and we see you again on the next episode. Thank you. Right, we're driving along A1 from Peterborough towards Cambridge on our way to Stansted Airport. Right, and now we are approaching intersection that divides Stansted route from the Heathrow route. But very safe. Right, this is one of the biggest bridges. And of course, we're going to catch up with A14, which takes us to Cambridge, and proceed to Stansted Airport. Yeah, very safe. Our speed averaging 65-70 miles per hour. In a 70-mile control route, which is very safe for us. Yeah, and our driver is an experienced driver, groomed from South Africa, doing very well, and in a very sober habit. We've got our beautiful girl here, Nivea.
Hi.
She looks serious, but she's enjoying. Of course, she's trying to wave her hand. The mother is just up on her side. Yes, this is the intersection. This is London and this is Stansted. Right. So now we are in A14. A14 is the route that we are using now. Enjoy this video, subscribe, and press the like button.
Show them the lake.
There is the lake here, just at the intersection. Yeah, of course, I think someone was heard about some. Yeah, maybe there's some construction on the way. Maybe they're closing one lane or so, but we'll be fine. The road is not very busy. It's not very busy, and they probably, yes, Mai's Wafa could be right. Maybe they were trying to manage the speed. This is the type of the systems that works very well for people in the UK. Whenever there's congestion, they identify a speed that suits everyone, so that you are not going to end up in a traffic jam that allows all vehicles to drive on that speed and still continue driving, avoiding a situation where people would go onto a traffic jam and it becomes difficult and boring. So yeah, of course, yeah. Oh wow, Nevea is busy watching a Sekuru holding it at one other stage. This is good. She likes Sekuru so much. Yeah, I could see when the Sekuru came back from Africa, she couldn't leave him. She was giving hug every moment, and then
to see how she's going to act when
I want to see when the father comes, how she's going to respond. But she used to call Sekuru. She used to call Sekuru daddy. So we are busy trying to divert that mind from her. Yeah. These are beautiful farms that you pass through as you drive towards Cambridge. Very nice farms. And there's a lot of green now. Since we are in summer, it's quite some very good green vegetation. And one thing I like about the UK roads, they are very wide and very safe. No cars are stopped along the highway, because you can see that sign there, it tells you there's no stop at any time. If you stop anytime anywhere close to that sign, it's a ticket and you'll be fined for that. Yeah, special parking spaces like this one, where you also need to stop there for a specific reason. You don't, it's just for emergency. You don't just stop for relaxing or maybe for anything else.
And there's a phone.
Yeah, then there's a call that is there along the roadside, where you can call service users to help you if you've got any emergency or any breakdown, that you need some help or assistance. Yeah. We are driving in a car, in a Suzuki car 2022 model.
Yes.
It's an S-Cross 4x4, very fast and very nice.
And it's 6.
And it's a 6-gear driven vehicle. It goes very fast and very easy. The takeoff is very fast. It's a nice car.
It's a nice ride.
And it's a hybrid, which is very good also for your fuel saving. If you manage your acceleration, you'll be saving on fuel. So yeah, it's a nice car. If you need to hear more about this type of a car, please contact us. We'll advise you. Right, here we are, Stansted Airport. We are just in the, this is 3rd level, parking, undercover parking at Stansted Airport. It was not easy to get a parking here. All bays are full from the bottom one. We've all been referred to the upper level, up until we get to this level. But we are here, we got our parking here, which is good for us. We just need to get ourselves a trolley, then we can start loading our bags, then walk towards the check-in point. And yeah, of course, there's plenty of cars here. I suspect some of these cars has been parked and people have traveled, because all parkings are full, and of course, it's not easy to get a parking. Right now, we need to get ourselves a trolley. Where is the trolleys here? I think the trolleys are right there. Do you get trolleys there? Okay, good. So that's good. We need to get a trolley. This is level 3. Yeah, Stansted Airport. A lot of construction works happening, and of course, yeah, I think they really want this airport to become very big. It used to be not as big as it is, but it has actually been getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I'll take you through to view some of the areas, some part of the Stansted Airport. You can see the airways there. I think that is the boarding side of the airport, right? And the buses, where the buses are stationed, right here is an aeroplane that's just coming to land now, going towards the runway. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Yeah, this is Stansted Airport in United Kingdom. Okay, let me take you through to open parking, which is also very full. Open parking, which is parking not under shade. It is also very full. Yeah, people are traveling. You know, people in Europe, they always travel. They always go for holidays. They always go places, visiting places. Right, this is the outdoor parking. Look at the cars. It's like it's a selling field for cars, but all these cars belong to people. Yeah, belong to people. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, I was asking myself which color of the car dominates this parking. I thought we've got more white cars than another color, but I can see here there's very few white cars here. Most cars, people are preferring the dark colored cars, and of course, yeah, there's of course white cars are there, but not dominating. Yeah, they're not dominating. Okay, that's it. Let me go and join the other guys to start loading our bags and walk to the check-in point. Yeah, thank you guys. Just continue connecting to our videos, and always show interest by liking our videos, pressing the like button, so that you can always be accessing our videos. Thank you. This is Nevea rolling her prima now. Wow. Oh, where's going?
You're crazy, yo.